thinking you might want to blow that up again. Whoa, wow!
He's gonna go fast, fast, fast. Let him do it when he's ready. What do you think about that, Lewis?
I mean, down here there's not.
Where you going, Lewis? Go, Libby, go!
It's some burn, kid.
Oh, what's that?
What's that?
Okay, Ray, go!
Well, somehow we got to figure this out, Misty. I ain't doing anything good.
Okay. Last one. Go, Libby!
See you.